We're making less money, but we still have to shop. Whether it's out of necessity or to pass time in quarantine, here's how to get the best bang for your buck. If you're visiting a brick and mortar, ask for a lower price. You may get it. Shopping online? Some websites have a chat feature, so ask for a coupon and you could save big. This may sound like a no-brainer, but see if the store offers a price match. They want your business now more than ever. With all this work from home, it may be time for a new laptop. Yahoo says a little-known Walmart program called Gadget to Gift Cards does exactly what the name suggests. Send off your old electronic and receive a Walmart gift card. What about getting paid to shop? Money Talk News suggests trying Rakuten for earning cash back from more than 2,500 merchants. Don't forget about coupons. They still exist, and now you can find printable ones online. Also try the free plugin Honey. It hunts for the online promo codes for you. Thrift shopping isn't just in store anymore. Websites like swap.com and even the Facebook Marketplace lets you post your own items for sale. If you want new, try discount retailers like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And when you find that amazing deal, stock up. The more of a great deal you find, the less you'll need to leave the house.